Hello guys, welcome to News Wrap Up. Fresh episode it is. My name is Francis Olisa Bunaya, but of course you can call me Tabitha. This is Orogo Television. If you're coming across this video for the first time, you're welcome. Where we give you a potpourri of most of the major stories that made it to the dailies in the week or in the midweek, whatever. Now let's go straight and start from Abuja, where a man simply identified as Felix Shukes had been killed by a group of bandits who broke into their homes. Not just killing Felix Shoes. These bandits also took away his wife and his children. Like, they killed him and they took away his entire family. This happened in a small community in Abuja area called Oshafa Community, Zone A, behind a particular primary school. It's a very sad something, insecurity all over the country. May God help us. We'll go straight to Anambra, where the governor is saying, I no borrow money, I no borrow. In fact, the governor of Anambra State, who happens to be a former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, has said, I didn't borrow money from this government, from anybody. I didn't borrow money from anybody. I have never borrowed money since I started running this government. A viral report that said that he was about borrowing 245 billion naira to fund the 2024 budget. But Soludo has said, no, nehi makachila. I didn't borrow and I have not borrowed. Even if I will borrow, I'll borrow something that can be, for something that is good that can be repaid. That's most more the enter. Soludo has been applauded by many of his fans and followers for most of the capital projects he has done in the state, while he has also been criticized by people like me for not securing Anambra people enough. I don't know. And then we go straight to Lagos. Lagos has been a sad one too. I really don't like talking about sad story because it hurts me. In Lagos State, the commissioner for police in Akwa Ibom, Wahid Ahilara, has been, he couldn't survive the post-straight cancer surgery, and then he passed on. He died at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital, and then of course that has been the story within the week. A very sad one. We pray the soul of the Super Cup rest in perfect peace. I'll come back to Abia State. Wife of the governor, Mrs. Priscilla, which has said, I swear, I vow, I'm going to protect women from gender-based violence. She said this in Abuja, where they attended, where wives of the governor gathered alongside the wife of the president and that of the vice president to sign a pact with the United Nations agency to make sure they reduce every form of gender violence and harmful societal norms. Harmful societal norms include actions against the widows and all those bad things they do women were no good now. So the wife of the governor has said, no, I'm going to put my legs on the ground and fight it to the full stop. Talking about entertainment, the only thing that will cause quarrel for this country must be Nigerian entertainers. Of course, two actresses are actually up on each other's juggler. We don't know. One was a sub, another was also a sub reply. Ebonyi State born, very beautiful born actress and in model too, Angela Okori, has put up a post, a sub post, saying, talking to a particular young actress who was also advising Nigerians at the time. We could remember Regina Daniel was all over the social media some time ago advising Nigeria. She even called some Nigerians ignorant. So Nigerians since then has still not have forgiven her. Angela Okori should be one of those Nigerians who has refused to forgive Regina Daniel. In a post, Angela Okori has said, you'd advise Nigerians, if Nigeria good, if you no marry man, we smear your papa. And I kind of like Regina Daniel's kind of reply. She just posted a very cuddled picture like you're seeing in the screen, of course, with her man, and she said, blessed by God, spoiled by her baby. She posted a picture cuddled up with Ned Nwoko. Ned Nwoko is a senator and a former House of Rep member and a billionaire businessman, if you understand what I mean in Nigerian context. And of course, we move straight to international news, where somewhere in Russia, a journalist in Russia is actually facing a big imprisonment now. There was a ruling that a journalist named Shagiv Mykhailov, I forgot the name right. Yeah, she's been. So the Russian government had actually banned this journalist for 4 years. They banned the journalist for 4 years and also has plans of imprisoning this journalist for 8 years. But then this journalist has come out to say, I said what I said. I chest it. I own up to my chest. The government, the journalist had spread the news, has given out the story, and then using the journalist telegram in 2022, saying that the Russian government has sent some army to the Ukraine and that killing innocent civilians, and now the Russian government has not been taking it easy, and of course they started to do what they think is the needful. But these journalists and a couple of other human rights groups are saying no. The journalist has said, I said what I said, the president didn't do the right thing, and I still stand by my report. Of course, on that basis, I come to the end of this episode. My name remains Francis Olisa. If you have stories for us, you think there's one or two things you would like us to actually add to stories, maybe you have reports, you have news stories, of course, feel free. Of course, send us an email at urugontv@gmail.com, or simply send us a DM. Of course, you can follow us, simply love and share our posts. We love you.